Hey there, everyone. Eric Richards here from Springs Houses Online Realty. It's the end of summer and there's a lot of builders right now that are offering a lot of cool stuff, but I think I found something even cooler. This is American Legend Homes. They're based out of Texas and they've got 1,000 lots here in Sterling Ranch, which is on the northeastern part of Colorado Springs. We're going to tour their model home. This is the 407 and this is a really large two-story, about 4,000 square feet. It's going to price out in the mid 700s depending on what you do in the design center. So let's go take a look at this home. Let's check out this front porch right here. Plenty of space. So walking in off the entrance, you can see that it opens up right away. Very popular these days is to give everyone that open floor plan concept, really meaning you can just look from the front door to the back door. Open staircase to the basement. A lot of people like that. Way in. Do you like the idea of a baby gate across there to keep the kids or dogs from going down there? Or do you want to have a door? Little coat closet right here. That's looking back towards the entrance. Perfect little nook here for a desk or some sort of sconce or your Christmas tree. Floor to ceiling tile, that's pretty dramatic. Really nice laminate floors in here. Really opens up a room, especially without all this furniture in here. The room would seem enormous. Looks like a whole slab of quartz here for the kitchen. There's a cool bedroom right off the kitchen. Got a huge picture window as well. Nice closet. And then here's its supporting bathroom right next to the kitchen as well. Floor to ceiling tile. A lot of nice upgrades in here. Nice big gas cooktop, all the goodies like soft close hinges, separated oven. Let's get a look at that Trex deck as well. That view of Pikes Peak. I would say for Sterling Ranch, this home prices right out at the mid to upper tier for pricing. Let's go check out upstairs. From up here, you really get to appreciate the tall ceilings. Level of craftsmanship that I'm seeing too is quite nice. Cleanly mitered corners, the craftsman style finish on the doors. All the reveals are exactly the same. Walk in here to the master. We got some coffered ceilings to appreciate, recessed lighting. A lot of wall sconce design going on here too, wainscoting, things like that. These are all builder upgrades designed to enhance the model. Here we are in the master. Massive closet. Failed to point out the coffered ceiling up here. That's pretty cool. Supporting bedroom. Oh man, they got a Star Trek Enterprise on the ceiling. How cool is that?
Make it so.
Make it so. Make it so. Make it so.
Tiled floors, marble countertop. It's a Jack and Jill as well, so there's the hot seat right there. Toilet, or pardon me, tub shower combination, basic 5-inch subway tile. Separate sink right here. Then another bedroom. Cool paneling on the ceiling. Closet. Upstairs laundry. Said it before, best thing since sliced bread. I hear a noise behind this door. What could it be? Upstairs, furnace and air conditioner. You see the line set right there. And that is a high efficiency furnace because you see the two PVC tubes there. And an upstairs storage closet. Never can have too much storage. Look at these views. Walk down the stairs every day and stare at Pikes Peak. Let's head downstairs. Wet bar greets you right as you walk downstairs. Big open play area here. I see room for the biggest sectional couch, separate space for a game area. Nice big TV on the wall or projector. See a bank of switches over here controlling all the fun. That's what I would put there as a dartboard. My kids would put a bunch of holes in the walls. If you've got workout equipment, leave this space unfinished and this becomes a great home-based gym. Question, do you guys know why they paint the floor joists white? It's a special kind of paint. Put a comment below, I'll fill you in. Let's go in this room. Tankless water heater, standard. High efficiency furnace, standard as well. Radon system in this house, standard. Like there's some technology probably being utilized by the sales rep up here. More unfinished square footage. Really liking this home. I've seen a few things that I would improve or change, but overall it's a positive experience. Sweet looking bathroom. Really like this tile on the floor. It's like a denim look. Really nice countertop. I have to ask the rep if that's quartz or marble. I'm gonna go with quartz, but. And finally, a supporting bedroom down here in the basement. Let's go check out that closet right through here. Hey, we just got done walking through plan 407 and wanted to know what your guys' thoughts are on this home. My thoughts, 5 beds, 1 on the main, 3 upstairs, including the master, and then 1 here in the basement. I like all the high efficiency appliances. I like the quality of the craftsmanship I've seen, especially for this price range. I like the location. Sterling Ranch is up and coming. It's in the northeast part of town where everyone seems to be moving to. I also like that it's a new player in the new construction scene here in Colorado Springs. Competition's a good thing. It helps really keep everybody else accountable, but also producing newer and better floor plans, helping to challenge those builders that maybe were making you upgrade constantly to obtain a model-like home when they include all the standards. I really like that as well. So if you want to learn a little more about this particular builder and what it is they're offering here in Sterling Ranch, please reach out to me. And I'll look forward to seeing you on the very next new build walkthrough.